legacy. With just 39 videos, it has generated nearly 24 million views. That's roughly $80,000 in YouTube ad revenue alone. It's clear that simple 2D animation videos can become a highly profitable YouTube business. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an animator or spend months learning complicated software. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your own AI-powered 2D animation workflow from start to finish. We'll begin by finding proven video ideas and generating high-retention titles and scripts inspired by top-performing content. Next, we'll transform the script into a complete scene-by-scene visual storyboard. Then we'll generate every visual using AI and assemble everything into a polished, professional video that's ready to upload. Let's jump right in. If you enjoy AI filmmaking, YouTube automation, and step-by-step content creation tutorials, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Step 1. Let's open NotebookLM and create a brand new project. Now open YouTube. We're going to use the Lost Legacy channel as our style reference, the same channel I showed you at the beginning of this video. Go to their Videos tab and change the sort filter from latest to popular. You're looking at the videos the algorithm rewarded most. These are your training material. Copy the URL of the first video. Head back to NotebookLM and paste it in as a YouTube source. Repeat this for the next 4 videos so you have the top 5 URLs loaded in as sources. Hit Next and let NotebookLM load them. Now here's where the magic happens. Go to Settings, then Chat, then switch from Default to Custom. Paste in the title and script creator role prompt. It's on screen right now and it's also in the description. Save it. Go to the NotebookLM chat and type, "Give me 5 ideas for my next 2D animation video." Now let's go through the 5 ideas. I'm going with the 4th idea, your life as a Ronin. But before we write the script, I want to add reliable sources on this specific topic. On the left side panel, go to the search section and search Ronin Samurai Daily Life and hit the arrow. Let it search the web for this topic. Then hit Import to add the results directly as sources. Now when NotebookLM writes the script, it's drawing from real sourced material on this exact topic, not just making things up. Back to the chat. Write a 500-word YouTube script for idea number and put your chosen topic. The script comes back fast. Scroll through it slowly. See those citation numbers sitting next to the claims? Each one points back to the sources we just added. Every fact is traceable. That's what keeps this content reliable and your channel safe. Let me read you the hook. Imagine being an elite superstar on Monday and a homeless vagabond by Tuesday. Welcome to the life of a Ronin. You just spent years mastering strategic energy conservation in the dojo. This is a strong hook. NotebookLM picked that rhythm straight from the Lost Legacy videos we loaded as sources. And here's the thing. This entire step is repeatable without limits. Swap the example channel, swap the topic, run it again. Unlimited original ideas and scripts, all sourced, all styled to what actually works in your niche. Step 2. Now you have a script. What you don't have yet is a visual plan, a scene-by-scene map of exactly what goes on screen. Open a new NotebookLM project. Now upload the animation visual guide as the only source. This guide contains example scenes for the overall look and feel. Download it as a PDF. The link to the guide is in the description. Upload that PDF into NotebookLM and hit the blue arrow to let it load. Go to Settings, Chat, Custom, and paste in the Visual Planner role prompt. On screen now in the description too. This prompt turns NotebookLM into a scene planner that reads the guide and outputs a production table with 3 columns: voiceover, image prompt, and animation prompt. Each voiceover line is capped at 20 to 30 words per scene. Before the table, it also generates image prompts for characters in your script. Quick reminder, this step works for any style. The only thing you need to change is the visual references guide. The rest is exactly the same. Now go to the chat and type "Create Visual Plan" for the following script. Then copy the script from the previous NotebookLM and paste it. Hit send. Now let's look at what came back. Before the scene table, notice these character image prompts. Look closely. Every single one includes the character's name directly inside the prompt. That is not random. In the next step, when we generate images in Google Flow, that name is what keeps your character looking consistent across every scene. Same face, same style every time. I'll show you exactly how that works in a moment. Then the full scene table follows. Voiceover, image prompt, animation prompt, row by row. That's your complete production map. Time to bring the visual plan to life. Open Google Flow and start a new project. Make sure image generation mode is selected. Let's start with characters. Go back to your Visual Planner notebook and copy the first character image prompt. Paste it into Google Flow and hit Generate. Once it comes back, rename the image with the character's exact name from the script. Now the second character, same process. Paste the prompt, generate, rename. I'll repeat this for all characters in the script. Here's a look at all of them created and ready to go. Now let's build the scenes. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 from the Visual Planner notebook. Paste it into Flow, then click the plus button and attach the character that appears in that scene. Generate. Now switch Flow to video generation mode. Copy the video prompt for scene 1, paste it in, and this time select the scene image you just created, hit Generate, and there's the animation. Clean movement, exactly what the prompt called for. Scene 2, same flow. Image prompt, attach the character, generate the still, then switch to video. Paste the motion prompt, select the scene, generate. Look at the character here. Same face, same lines, same style as scene 1. That consistency comes directly from having the character name inside the image prompt. Exactly what we set up in the Visual Planner step. Now a scene with multiple characters. Same process, but this time when I hit the plus button, I attach both characters to the scene, then I create the scene again. Look at both characters together. The style holds across all of them. Here's the scene grid for the example scenes I generated. Before we move to the final step, I'm downloading all of them now. One thing worth knowing, Google Flow gives you free daily credits for up to 5 video generations. If you need more in a day, use a second Google account for another set of free credits, or simply wait. Credits reset the next day. Now script and visuals are done. Now let's put it all together. First, voiceover. Open Google AI Studio and go through the voice options. Since this is a story video, I want something with a lower pitch. Copy a chunk of the script, paste it in, and hit Run. Download it. Working in chunks keeps the output stable and consistent. I'll do the same for the rest of the script. Now background music, and go to the audio library. I filter by genre, cinematic, mood inspirational, preview a few. Download the one that fits. Now open CapCut. Drop the voiceover in first. That's the skeleton. Upload all the scene clips. I pull up the visual plan and use it as my map. It tells me exactly which scene goes where, so this part moves fast. For scenes shorter than the voiceover, I either duplicate and reverse or slow them down slightly. Add subtle transitions between scenes. Drop the music in and lower the volume so the voiceover stays in front. Final check, then export. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.